Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2020 Audi Q3. So first of all, we'll go like so. There's the screen. You've got navigation there, or you've got the arrow there. Click on the arrow. That comes up. Now, search which destination. I want PR54EA. Preston PR5 4EA. That's the one. Preston Setters destination, or Ad Street Setters destination. Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, start.
Please turn right after 200 yards and then make a U-turn.
So it's as easy as that. To cancel navigation, you just click there and it's gone. Really simple system to use, but if you can use Apple Carplay, Apple Carplay is by far the best.